When we go to Evolve, we're looking for that one particular, maybe 2, 3 items. When we get in the store, there's so many nice, unique things that we end up with more, and it's such a reasonable price. I'll pull the color out here. Try that.
Oh, this is a perfect piece for any kitchen counter. All for $5. The cookies will cost more. Isn't that
stunning? We've been here 15 minutes and we have put together a beautiful display for a coffee table. $25. Beautiful piece to put some cookies or donuts.
We always love using greenery because it just pops it up.
And
who wouldn't like tea? Serve me, please. We can all shop at these cookie cutter stores, but the thing about Evolve is you're finding those unique different pieces that you'll never see anywhere else. We love shopping at Evolve. It's our best kept secret.
you should come check it out because we think everybody should shift to thrift.